Have you ever wished you could make those buttery red lobster cheddar biscuits at home? I've got an incredible recipe for Copycat red lobster cheddar bay biscuits, and I bet you're gonna find these taste better than the real thing. I'm Whitney from Sweet Cayenne, and I'm all about helping you find delicious recipes made with seasonal, high-quality ingredients. These cheddar bay biscuits are an easy drop biscuit that require no rolling or cutting out. They're so easy to make and can be ready and on the table in under 30 minutes.
You'll start with 2 cups of all-purpose flour, followed by some baking powder, baking soda, a little bit of granulated sugar, Old Bay seasoning, garlic powder, and a pinch of ground cayenne pepper. Whisk it all together till well combined. Next, you'll add 6 tablespoons of melted butter to 1 cup of low-fat buttermilk. You'll want to stir this mixture vigorously until the butter causes clumps to form in the buttermilk. The more you stir, the more clumps will form. Add the clumped buttermilk mixture to the flour mixture. Next, you'll add 1½ cups of grated sharp cheddar cheese. Use a rubber spatula to gently fold everything together. Soon you'll see that it will start to form a really soft dough. Be careful to use gentle strokes so that you don't overmix or make the biscuit dough too tough. Just gently fold it all in until it's pretty much well combined. I like to use a cookie dough scoop to drop the biscuit dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. A 4-ounce scoop works great and makes the perfect biscuit size. You'll bake the biscuits in a 450-degree oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Next, brush the biscuits with a mixture of melted butter, garlic powder, and some finely chopped fresh parsley or dill. Serve the biscuits while they're still warm. These are so amazing, I bet you can't eat just one.
I hope you get a chance to try these Copycat red lobster cheddar bay biscuits. Every time I make them, my family and friends go nuts over these. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notifications about every new recipe I post. In the meantime, be sure to check out my other recipe for oven-baked fried green tomatoes, a healthy twist on a Southern classic.